Recently, me and my brother were watching one of the best kids show, Tom and Jerry. By seeing their level of friendship, we made our mind to buy an art of Tom and Jerry. So we checked in Flipkart, but we got upset by looking at the price. So we stepped back and decided to design the same art by ourselves.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it, it's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision cause of you tonight. It's electric. I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town.
Here I am using pen tool to trace over my design.
You're too far away to help me now.
I am trying my best to design same as photo that we want to purchase, but I am not a good artist.
Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to focus everything inside me now.
Here I am using pen tool and color picker tool to colorize my design. So it's our final design. We hope you guys love this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below. Share it to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.